Hello everyone, spring is here. I know not officially, but it is here. The weather is getting better and we are so excited. We're getting outside. Everybody is looking for that beautiful glow. So this month we have put together some fabulous specials that are focusing on the spring cleaning. I love that our team behind the scenes came up with the great little title to the month's special. So check those out. We are going to talk a little bit more in depth about what we're promoting, what's so great for the spring. I've asked Dr. Juno and our senior laser technician, Katie Holbrook, to join me, and we are going to chat a little bit about what we've got in different offices. So let's start with our Covington office with one of the newest additions, Clear Brilliant Laser. Dr. Juno.
So Clear and Brilliant is a fabulous addition to our Covington armamentarium of procedures. What I love about it is it can be combined with other procedures. It's great for most skin types. It can be done with pretty minimal downtime. It's a laser, we call it a gentle laser, which allows the heat treatment of fine lines and wrinkles, but also dullness, so beautiful for brightening. Again, can be combined with BBL for more pigment correction, can be involved or combined with microneedling with and without radiofrequency. So I think it's a great treatment.
We were hearing great things from Covington. Patients love it. Little downtime, right? So great one. So speaking of clear, we have our new favorite, Clear Silk. Katie, I know you've been working with patients with the laser quite a bit.
Yes.
Few words about that.
Yes, so Clear Silk is one of our new favorite little babies over there. Clear Silk does really, really great for it. I guess the better question is, what doesn't it do?
Right,
so really it's a deeper laser, Truce 1064, so minimal downtime for patients, if any. Maybe a little red and splotchy that day, but it's treating some deep reds, it's collagen building, great for even acne patients. We love it alone, but we also love it with other treatments. Like you said, we have tons of options over there, so we're really, really loving it. And it's a little easier to do in the spring season. Unlike some of our other treatments that are tuning up a little more and cause a little more downtime, this one fits in a little easier with our spring social plans.
Well, I love Clear Silk. With Dr. Juno now, we bring on what we live with, we breathe what we preach, so to speak. So I do love Clear Silk. It's a great one, a combination. You said combination with other treatments.
Yes.
So part of the focus is also microneedling, and I know you guys do a lot of needling in the laser department. Talk about the different forms that we offer to patients.
Yeah, so we have I always like to tell my patients, a sliding scale with needlings. We have as entry level as our skin pen, which is just needles, but it does pack a lot of punch. So I always say, just because it's more of our entry level, microneedling doesn't mean that it doesn't give you a great result. Going up the scale, we go into RF microneedling. That's when we're adding a little bit of heat within the skin of those needles. So kind of giving somewhat of a shrink wrap effect to the skin. So patients are really loving that for fine lines and a little, light resurfacing with minimal downtime. And similar to Clear Silk, it can be done alone. It can be done together with Moxie, Clear Silk, lots of things. So we're loving that as well. We're heading into warmer months, so that transition is happening. We're really, really busy with needlings in spring and summer, so we're excited to get started.
Yeah, and it's a safe treatment to do in these summer months.
And offered in all three of our offices.
Correct.
Exactly.
Yes.
And sun protection, of course, important for all of these treatments, but these are easier ones to use. And it seems that biostimulation and collagen production is the operative word for 2024. So we very selectively choose the treatments and procedures that we bring on. Dr. Juno and I looked at a number of different options and brought on Elacord microcoring now a little bit over a year ago, and I've had quite a bit of experience with it. So I know that patients come to us and there may be a little bit questioning what's the difference between microneedling and microcoring. So Dr. Juno, talk a little bit about the difference and how you choose one technology over the other.
So with microneedling, the needles are actually being inserted into the skin. With microcoring, we're actually taking small cores of skin out. And this does involve more downtime, so it's a patient that can have more downtime, typically up to a week of no makeup, a little bit of swelling and bruising. But I think it's also not for the patient that's just had filler in the area. I think that the microcoring, that is a beautiful device, and then afterwards with the microneedling for maintenance and for smoothing of that area.
I've loved microcoring for patients that may be transitioning and needing a little bit more of a lift and collagen production, losing the elasticity, and definitely more downtime, but a very different process and a very different result. So if a patient is not quite ready for a surgical lift, this is a terrific option. Because it's not a light-driven device, I find that, you know, patients do like doing those in the spring, summer months as well. But of course, the truth is all of these procedures are year-round.
Yes.
I mean, you know, we do everything
Just
year-round.
on your lifestyle.
So great, we love microcoring, Elocore microcoring, definitely a great one to get a consult on and decide between all of us what's best. So the final touch of a glow outside of microneedling for a patient that doesn't want the microneedling, that's not interested, maybe not a candidate. What else do we have in store?
Yes, so we're really into skin peels all the time, but especially right now. I know we're coming out of some of the winter months with dryness and dullness. So other options that we have are chemical peels. This, again, similar to skin needling, is a sliding scale. We can bring you in and do as little as a little almost polish on the skin with a Sensi peel, or, you know, we can reach for one of our medium depth peels that can help with pigment, even tightening. So definitely come in and get a consult about that. We love peels, so, and they're great for spring cleaning refresh.
I think they are, and they're quick because you don't have to numb, so you come in and you get treated and off you go, and after a few days of flaking, a beautiful glow.
That's right.
All right, so there you have it, the spring cleaning in action, and we are ready for you. Come see us.